sunny. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Galveston County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, south central Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a cluster of severe thunderstorms was located from near Hobby Airport to Friendswood to Liverpool, moving west at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Northwestern Pasadena, Pearland, southwestern League City, Friendswood, Alvin, South Houston, West University Place, Santa Fe, Galena Park, Jacinto City, Hitchcock, Manville, Midtown Houston, Downtown Houston, 2nd Ward, South Belt Ellington, Northtown, or Montrose, Greater Eastwood, Greater Hobby Area, and Greater 3rd Ward. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.